How's it going, guys? It is your boy Rap Raptor Sneakers, back at it with some Dhgate action right here. First and foremost, if you guys are not subscribed, don't forget to click on the subscribe right there on the bottom. Don't forget to like and even comment if you have any doubts or if you wanna add something that I kind of said incorrectly, or if you wanna just make any questions, whatever, you are free to comment. So do that, subscribe, like and comment. Second thing, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not promoting anything. If you guys want to copy it, links will be on my bio, first link on my bio. But again, I don't want you to do it or feel forced to do it just because I'm showing it here. I'm just showing what it is, and if you guys like it, you are free of your own will to do it. Now, going straight for these were sent by a Dhgate seller. Links will be on my bio as I mentioned, first link on my bio, and you will find it there. It's a dunk. It's a gray fog. I think that's the name of the dunk, the gray fogs. And I think nowadays it's very difficult to miss on this. Actually, I asked them to send without box because I think the shipping is faster, and I wanted to bring this video to you guys. I think nowadays for 50 bucks ship, bro, you can have something that it's on every store, all right? It's on Foot Locker, it's on Snipes, whatever the store it is, any American store, any European store, and you can find this sitting there for pretty much 130, 150 sometimes, whatever the price range is. But bro, for 50 bucks shipped or less than that, sometimes you can find some of them for less than that. These are around 50 shipped, and I try to bring always that price range. I don't like more than that, to be fairly honest. I think that's the price that you should pay for shipping included for something like this. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong, especially if you are a person that wants to have several colorways of these, because this is a simple shoe, right? Maybe you are watching this video and you are a dunk lover. Maybe you are a guy that doesn't really have many shoes on their own rotation, or you are just like me and you have tons of shoes and tons of options and you start feeling like these are a bit basic. But sometimes myself, having crazy shoes, like crazy brands, crazy formats and stuff, sometimes I like to put a simple outfit and bring a simple color like this. Either a navy blue, a gray, even a panda. I could wear a panda, although those are very saturated and I have more options than that, like black and white babes and stuff. But for dunks, there are some nice materials out there. Suede, no-buck, you know, Durabuck, and even these leather ones, the simpler ones. Like, this is a simple shoe just to use as a beater, you know. You want to have a pair of jeans with these, you want to have a pair of cargos with these, put a nice gray sweater and you go outside with these and you rock it, you know. I think that can make a nice simple outfit. If you just don't want to stress yourself in the morning to grab a pair of shoes, you can grab something like this and it's okay, you know, it's very acceptable. Everything is here, you know, even the tags right there. You can see the tags right there with the size. You can see logo on the insoles. I mean, lifetime of these is pretty much the same as a retail, I believe. I've had retails. I still have retail shoes with me. And comparing to these, you see differences sometimes on the leather and on the material. But look at this, bro. Like, let me try to show you properly. And I'm gonna even reduce the lighting on this because I want you to see exactly what we are talking about here. Like, look at that movement. Even though most of these are synthetic leathers and we are talking about a budget shoe, right? We are talking about a shoe that is not made to last forever, but it's probably the same as you're gonna find in the store. And I can tell you that I've seen in stores things worse than this in terms of shape and condition. So if you are one of those guys, and I can see that is marked right here, but this is because I asked without box to be faster. I don't really mind about those. But if you want to be a bit more picky, ask it for a double box or something, they will do it. Bro, for 50 bucks, solid outer sole, you see how solid it is. I'm making a lot of strength here and it won't just crumble, you know. It's a solid shoe, 50 bucks shipped. You decide what you do. For me, it's pretty much correct, pretty much right. Easy to rock, easy to wear, ready to go. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. There's not much to it, it's just a simple dunk. Nowadays, I think all the dunks are simple enough. like this, so there's not much to it, but you guys let me know. I hope that you guys like this video. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Peace.